Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to center align text in Notion. Unfortunately, Notion does not currently have a built-in button or tool to center align text. But don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Here's how it is done. Open your Notion page. Navigate to the page in Notion where you want to center align your text. Insert a quote block or callout block. Click the plus and select the quote block or the callout block. These blocks naturally center align content visually within their format. Use the space character trick. If you prefer plain text to appear centered, place the text in a standard block. Add spaces at the beginning of the text until it looks centered within the page. And there you have it, a few simple ways to simulate center align text in Notion. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.